Hello, and salams, everyone. I'm so glad you could come and join me today. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share little scrapbooky journals, or you can say they're more like scrapbooks that I'm going to share with you. This is a sign, stands up like this. I made it from some old shield that somebody, my brother or my father, I think they got. So it was a shield for some conference that they went to, and I repurposed that and I made my sign. So this sign stands up on my table when I'm doing craft shows. I just wanted to share it today with you because I'm sharing similar um, um, journals. So this is something that I really layered up. Really, I layered so many papers up here, and fabric and lace, and very nice, lovely and textured. I love it. Let me know what you think. So this is the sign that goes up on my um this is the little booklet that I made, and this is also for my uh, craft shows. I use it there, and it has details of my work if somebody wants to sit and read, or what we do, what I do. So it's like this with some pictures of my journals. And if someone wants to partner with us, contacts, some more pictures of the journals. So just want to share these little things that I do in my little business, hobby, you can say, hobby business. So these are the journals that I sold out on these on one of my craft shows, and I made some more, and this is how they look. Lots of layering and um, laces and nice cutouts and bows, and you know like this. And the spine is very interesting. All of them have a lace spine. So I got some nice laces and I put the spines like that. Some stamping as well from inside. It's just very simple. It's a traveler's notebook style journal. It's a hardcover, and it has just 3 inserts of some simple tea dye notebooks. You can use them as for art journaling. You can use them for pasting your Polaroid pictures. I know one of my clients, she bought this for pasting her many pictures that she has from Polaroid camera. So you can use it for writing and keeping your memories. Just simple tea-dyed pages with some pockets. Very simple, but very interesting indeed. I love it. I love making these, and I'm going to be making some more. They're going to be different. In these ones, I've used scrapbook paper that I have, the leftovers. I don't buy scrapbook paper anymore. I just print my own paper from different designers. So this was just the leftover scrapbook, paper that I had, the cutouts that I had. So that's all. Now I use my own printouts. So these are most of the spines are this golden lace, this little cute dangle, and you can see I've done layering, but each one is different with some, just my leftover pieces. Actually, you can say I used a lot of pieces that I had lying around from those scrapbook papers. Those books, they have the papers as well as the cutouts, fussy cuts there, and so I used all of these. I used some nice blingy lace. I really enjoy making these. They're so simple, yet they're so fun to make, and also um, one of my bestsellers. I love layering, so I've done a lot of layering. This one has a different spine with this lace. Looks like this from inside. So I've done stamping as well. I don't know how the next batch is going to be. I don't have the same supplies. Since I don't have the same scrap paper, I'm going to print out some paper for my favorite designers, and I'm going to make new ones from those because I have a lot of these hardcovers. I have a lot of these covers, and I'm going to maybe in the next the batch I'll share how I make the covers, how I'm going to make the covers. Very nice. I already have the base of the covers. I have lots. I used to make boxes, so this was supposed to be like a how was it? Yeah, a box opening up like this, and the sides had to be put in. So I don't do any boxes anymore, so I had this left, so I used it to make this book. That's what I do now, and I love doing it. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. Bye. See you.